In this video, I'm going to show you how to join old servers and grow a garden on Roblox using a new working method. It's easy, just follow along step by step. First, go to the Roblox homepage. At the top, you'll see a search bar, type in Grow a Garden and hit enter. Now, click on the Grow a Garden game from the results. Once you're on the game page, click on the Servers tab. If you don't have a private server yet, go ahead and create one. It's free. If you already have one, click the three dots next to your private server, then click Configure. Now turn on both Allow Joining and Friends Allowed. Then click Generate to get your private server link. Highlight that link, then right-click and choose Copy. Go to the URL bar at the top of your browser, right-click and choose Paste and go. When a pop-up appears, just click Cancel, then close this by clicking the X in the top left. Now, open a new tab by clicking the plus icon. Click the three dots on the top right of your browser, hover over Extensions, and click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type RoPro and click on the one that says RoPro. Enhance your Roblox experience. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. Once that's installed, go back to the Grow a Garden game page on Roblox. Refresh the page. If any pop-up shows again, just click Cancel and close it. Now click on Servers. Turn on Hide Private Servers and check the box for Exclude Full Servers. Then click the drop-down and choose Ascending. This shows you the servers with the least number of players first. Then click Filters and select Oldest Servers. That's it. You'll now see the oldest active servers in Grow a Garden you can join. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more easy Roblox tutorials.